Hey guys, welcome to the first ever unboxing video of Hero 8 Media Mod. I just received this last weekend, so I thought I'll share the details with you all that how exactly this Media Mod works, because I didn't see any video online till now where I can see somebody unboxing it in India, at least not till now. So this is the package I received. I ordered it from FotoCentre Mumbai. They are one of the authorized dealers for GoPro and amazing service. Like even I got my Hero 8 from them, so you can contact them for some amazing deals. Let's see what all is there. So you have got this media mount and one GoPro clip mount, and so this is what all it has. So let's take a 360-degree look on how exactly this looks like. This has one side button. This side you have this cold shoe mount. This is the most amazing thing. It has one HDMI out, one C port and one 3.5mm jack. If I talk about the mic, this is the mic and another mic in the front, another quick start button on the top, cold shoe mount on the top, and bottom it has this space wherein your existing mounts of GoPro will fit in. Let's open it and try to use it. So the usage is fairly simple, like this. You need to open the door, like we open the door in our GoPro. This is my GoPro Hero 8. You need to remove the door, keep it aside, and the C port which is there on the GoPro, it should basically fit inside the connector which is there in the mount. So this goes like this, it slides in, and just you need to press until you see that okay, it is fixed properly, and close this door. So now your GoPro is ready with the media mount. The best part about this is you get an external 3.5mm jack and a C port directly here. But mind you, the biggest disadvantage is it is not a waterproof. Although it has a mic, it is having a housing, but it is not a waterproof thing. Just slide this inside slightly, and it goes like connecting, and then it kinds of reboots. When you see it is just connected. And how to check that? You go to preferences, go to input output, it will show you media mod as audio input. This button operates in the same fashion as the default ones do. The only quick trick is you should not take the screw on this side, because if you take the screw on this side, you cannot open the door. If you put it like this, you cannot open the door. So you should always put your screw from the opposite side. Another thing is this, they have given a little small curve here. So you need to tighten the screw. So ideally you should not use a screw with a shorter length. You should use the longer one, so you can easily tighten it properly. So now you can just see that it looks like a frame hooked onto that. And these two mounts can be used for the light mode, display mode, or mounting your external mics. Another interesting setting is how you can choose between different available mics. Just go to the settings, go to edit, and when you scroll down, you will see an option called as mics. Here, if you see closely, you have this option where you can slide down front, back, and stereo. This basically works better when you don't have wind noise. When you're talking from behind the camera, you can use the back mic, and when you're standing in the front of camera, you can use the front mic. Just remember this note which is popping down below. The previous mic setting will be restored after media module removed. This basically shows that if you remove and put the camera back in for changing battery or anything, you will have to set this again. Let's see what happens when you put an external mic. So once you put an external mic in here, this gets disabled. Once you remove it, this gets enabled again. Now the only challenge I feel is that every time you need to remove your battery, you need to change your battery, you have to remove it from the media mod, because this door which opens is on the left side, and whereas your battery is on this side. The plus point is you can directly put a power bank and a charging here directly in the C port, so you don't have to remove it. Now let's test different audio qualities. So the clip after this, you will see output from different mics, internal, external, front, back, everything. This audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. I repeat, this audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. This audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. I repeat, this audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. This audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. I repeat, this audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. This audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. I repeat, this audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. This audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. I repeat, this audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. This audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. I repeat, this audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. This audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. I repeat, this audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. This audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. I repeat, this audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. This audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. I repeat, this audio is to test Hero 8 Media Mod. Let's see how well this works. The plastic quality doesn't seem to be very long lasting, but yeah, at least it's an original accessory. Hope this unboxing and little details about Hero 8 Media Mod was useful. This is, I believe, one of the first delivered in India. Let's see how it works, how it goes. I'll keep you updated. Bye bye.